Hello, hello! It's another fishing day. I'm waiting for the bass fishermen to come because it's early in the morning. We go to try to catch the famous crappies. We try to find a good spot. I like this lake. Okay, let's try to catch something. There's a lot of birds around. I think we don't catch nothing today because too many boats on the water, too much noise. That I don't like to come close to Chicago for fishing because there's too much activity. I like to go far from Chicago. Look, two boats over there, and somebody's coming now. And I have another three, but I cannot show you because it's the tree in the front. Too much activity, too much noise. The bass fisherman, finally you caught something. What is this? Walleye? Yep. It's too small, we're gonna release. In the next life you need to be the surgery doctor. Be careful, don't take the stomach. Okay, catch and release. How long needs to be? 18? Okay. Did you measure? Okay. We changed the location because over there where we was the first time we had a strong windy. We're gonna stay here 1 hour because afternoon we're gonna have a strong thunderstorm. I'm waiting for my friend to come with a bait, and we'll see what is happening. Oh, the wind is strong here too. Doctor, how are you doing, doctor? I think that's it for today. Afternoon, we have a strong rain, and I decided with my friend to go home to make some grill, put something on the grill to enjoy the day. I hope you like this video, and see you next time. Bye bye, guys.